Hi there, students. A T-shirt estimate. A T-shirt size estimate. T-shirt size estimation. A student actually taught me this phrase the other day, and I think this is one of these business words that's coming in. I looked it up in the dictionary, and it's pretty. It doesn't appear in the dictionaries yet, but I think this word is certainly going to end up in the dictionaries. Okay, let's see. If you want an estimate for something, you want to find out more or less what something will cost. Nowadays, you ask for a ballpark figure, an estimate, a general figure, a number that's somewhere inside the baseball ground of possible prices. So could you give me a ballpark figure as to how much it's going to cost me to buy a car? So a ballpark figure, I don't know, 25,000 euros. But I could ask you for, could you give me a T-shirt estimate of how much it's going to cost me to buy a car? Well, a small car will cost you 10, 15,000. A medium-sized car will cost you 20 to 25,000. And a big car is going to cost you more like 40,000. So let's see, a T-shirt size estimate or a T-shirt estimate. It's like a ballpark figure, except you give an estimate for the different sizes of thing. So could you give me a T-shirt estimate for the cost of this project? So an extra small project will cost you this, a small one this, a medium one this price, a large one this price, and an extra large one this price. And these are all estimates, but they give you a general idea. Okay, this is linked to the different sizes of a T-shirt, because T-shirts, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, XXL, XXXL, and me, XXXXXXXL. Okay, but this is the idea of a T-shirt estimate or a T-shirt size estimate. Okay, it depends on what you want. So how much is this going to cost me? How long is a piece of string? It depends on the size, it depends on what you want. And therefore, a T-shirt estimate is a much clearer estimate because it gives you different options, and therefore you are better informed and better able to make a decision. Okay, so this is T-shirt sizing. It's giving different estimates or different ballpark figures for different sizes of thing. So formality, wow, I would definitely give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. I think it's a really great phrase, and it comes from a T-shirt, a T-shirt. The word T-shirt, the T is just because of the shape of a T-shirt. So let's see if we can get this word introduced into the dictionaries. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A T-shirt estimate, T-shirt size estimate, T-shirt sizing. Bye for now.